Agarwood is wood from the agar tree rich in oily resin. The resin is a defensive substance produced after the agar tree is injured and infected by fungi. Agarwood formation requires the combined effects of temperature, humidity, bacteria, and more. Moreover, it takes decades or even hundreds to thousands of years to form. Since ancient times, supply has far outstripped demand, making it as expensive as gold. Agarwood is also a rare treasure recognized by the world's 5 major religions. Thus, it is hailed as the king of fragrances and plant diamond, ranking first among all scents. Agar trees can be artificially propagated through seeding. There are also tissue-cultured agar saplings. They are planted in dug holes. Mature agar trees only require weeding. Minor pest damage, in fact, benefits resin formation. Natural agarwood is extremely rare. Natural resin formation occurs when the agar tree's trunk is damaged by insects or natural injuries. This stimulates the secretion of resin within the agar tree. Therefore, artificial resin formation is needed, which farmers call opening the fragrance gate. Artificial resin formation methods include cutting, drilling, and inoculating with fungi. The fungal inoculation method works best on trees older than 7 years. The agar tree forms resin after stimulation. Lower quality resin takes 6 months to 2 years, while higher quality takes 3 to 5 years. The best quality agarwood can take 10 to 20 years to form. Agarwood can be harvested all year round. Varies in size and shape. Small chisels and carving knives are used to remove the light, non-resinous wood. The extracted agarwood can be used as a raw material for fragrances. It is used to make daily necessities in scents, perfumes, medicines, and beauty products.